Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Daisy from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a circle at the top for the face. Next, let's draw the eyes inside. Let's start with a curve on the left side. And now a curve at the bottom to close off the eye. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Next, inside each eye, let's add a circle. And inside each one, let's draw a small circle in the top left. And then a black circle in the center for the pupils. And lastly for the eyes, let's add the eyelashes with 3 curves on the top of each eye. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth with a curve across. And then underneath, let's thicken it up slightly. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the petals going around. Let's start at the top and let's draw a petal going up and back down. Now let's move down and draw another petal on either side. And then 2 more at the bottom. Next, let's add another row of petals behind. So in between each petal, let's draw a curve up and back down. Now let's continue this all the way around. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the left arm. Underneath, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. Now let's draw the next section of the arm going up behind the petal. So let's start here up and then continue it on the other side. And the same thing underneath. And then close off the elbow. Now at the end of the arm, let's draw a small circle. Next, let's add the leaf at the end. Let's draw a curve down, and then another curve underneath coming to a point. And lastly, let's draw a line across the center. Now let's hop back over on the right side and draw the other arm. Let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. and then connect it at the bottom. Now let's add 2 diagonals going out for the next section of the arm. And again, let's add a circle at the end. Let's draw the leaf again at the end, but this time it's going to point downwards. And lastly, a line going through the center. Now let's move back to the center and draw the rest of the body. Underneath the petal, let's draw 2 diagonals down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, underneath, let's draw a small oval, and then diagonal lines going down to the right. And then again, let's close off the bottom. Now let's draw a circle around the bottom like this. Now let's move down and add the legs. Start with 2 diagonal lines down and out on the left. And close it off at the bottom. And let's do the same thing on the right side now. Now let's draw the next section of the legs with thin rectangles going down. Next, let's add the feet. We'll start with an oval at the bottom here, like this. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw the leaf feet with 2 curves going out and down like this. And lastly, let's add a line across the center of each foot. And that's it for Daisy. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!